How's it going, everyone? This is going to be probably my last update on ALLR. I'm just looking at it. People want me to post an analysis on this and see what the system's saying in the chart. We're in a very long consolidation pattern. There's really not much going on here. And as you can see with the trend here, we're just going up and down, up and down, and up. And I expect we're going to hit this EMA 10 very soon. The EMA 10 is at 21 cents and 0.2149, as this yellow band. We're at 20.34. So it's just really not enough wiggle room for me to want to take this. We're slightly above the EMA 5. The only real target that we would be looking for is this long EMA 20 that has not been hit in like forever. And that's the one positive thing I see. And I do think it's going to get hit very soon. And if you look at this time distance, you guys that are in my Discord know my services. Time distance is everything. It's very important to know. And if you see where you had this massive gap of not hitting the EMA 20, we'll show the past example here. Look at this massive not hitting EMA 20, this blue line, and out of nowhere you had this consolidation and it rushed up to it. Are we going to have that same possibility? I definitely think it can happen, but as always, lower price stocks are extremely risky, right? So our last hit was May 2nd, 2024. We're over 2 months, guys, and that's my rule. If you're over 2 months, you're at the stage where it's pretty long. That's like pretty rare. So 502 to 602, 702, we're over 2 months for sure, and this thing's going to get hit any moment. And there's pretty decent size up there. If you look at let's look at a percentage calculator. It's at 28 cents and 0.2820 for the EMA 20. Current price is at 2034. So if we do the calculations here, we can see kind of like where our room up is here. So here's what we're looking at. We're looking at like an 8-cent increase, and we have a 38% move up if it hits the EMA 20 like right away. But you have to realize we're going to keep fluctuating. So in my honest opinion, yes, they could have a good gain, but it's just not really like my perfect setup. There's a lot of setups I see. Yes, we see this gap right in here we can fill, but it doesn't mean it has to. It can create another gap. But yeah, that's my analysis. I do think, yes, there is some money to make in it. Obviously, it's going to hit the EMA 10 definitely this week because that is getting really close to it, and when it fluctuates, it's going to do that. But I would keep an eye on the EMA 20 as that is your target. And for anyone that is like well up in here in the 40-cent range, yeah, it just sucks, right? Because it's just going to be really hard, and it's going to need like some amazing news for that to really take place and get this going. But if you guys want to join my Discord server and get actually high value alerts that make you consistently profitable over 95% win ratio, you're more than welcome to join. I'm only going to give you guys alerts that make the most sense, that has nice room up to my EMAs, that are near the ATR4, which is this up bottom in here. These are your best signals right in here. As you can see, when price got dumped right in here, it got close to this and then it started pumping up. But you want to be very careful with pennies. I like to look for a low K on the KDJ. The K right now is 36.47. That alone just tells me it's just not really for me to get in. I try to look for at least under 10 for the stochastic oscillator. So there's a lot of things I want to look for. But yeah, could this pump up? I definitely see it can. And all that. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, I'll put a link down below in the YouTube comments. It'll be pinned, and it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. When you come on in, just head on over to Server Shop, and you can see all my services. I offer swing trading and then day and swing trading plus. The Day and Swing Trading Plus gives you access to everything for $12 a month, and all these channels will unlock, and is slightly cheaper if you do this on your computer. You're going to get alerts sent to your phone with over 95% win ratio, RTK journal, which shows you my active trades right in here, and you can see the high calculations I have. My swing trading, but we've been on a roll, making constantly profitable. Obviously, day trades are going to be higher, bigger percentages, and we've just been making money and money and money. And it's just been a nice system because we only are following the best trades. If there's no setup, we don't trade it. Because I know a lot of people are itching to get in ALLR, and yes, it could go up, but you have to look for the downside here. Is we have a high K, we could go back to this lower band, but I do think the chances of this hitting the EMA 20 is very high. It just depends on your average. I think we will hit it soon. So hope you guys come to the Discord, give this video a like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what your thoughts are, and peace out.